Today, I would like to explain the most common applications for EVO and how easy it is to assemble. But first, let me show you what comes in each EVO system. EVO 1 is for basic anchoring, holding, and side support during repair. EVO 1 includes 3 towers, clamps, a track plate, adapters with bushings, a chain holder with down pull wheel, a turnbuckle, anchors, and supports. EVO 2 is for advanced anchoring and holding and comes with 2 additional towers and track plates, special tools for rear axle bracket, torque bar extensions, and adjustable holders. EVO 3 is specifically designed for holding new parts in place during the replacement process. EVO 3 includes adjustable fixture heads, lockable universal joints, lock handle, all-purpose mini clamp for frame rails, inner fenders, and strut towers. While EVO is extremely versatile, each assembly starts with the same 4 pieces: a tower, a screw, a lock, and a collar. All EVO systems come with an illustrated library with pre-configured setups. Let's take a look at the most common applications. To get started, you will have to select the tower, the screw, the lock, and the collar. Place the lock inside the tower. Slide the screw into the collar and insert the screw into the tower, making sure that the flat edges line up with the lock. Slide the screw to the desired height. Push the collar towards the locking mechanism and rotate to lock it in place. The EVO tower gets fixed to the rack by using a track plate. The track plate will allow you to move the tower position front and back and side by side so you can easily adjust to the right position. Once the EVO tower has been placed, it's simply a matter of attaching the correct adapter to secure the tower to the vehicle frame and then adjust the height to a perfect fit by rotating the collar. Tower heights will vary depending on the type of vehicle and anchoring point. The adapter you use depends on the height of the frame, the type of attachment needed, and whether you are supporting the vehicle vertically or horizontally with the EVO fixture. We'll start by covering the basic clamping applications. Once your tower is built, you will need to select a connector based on light or heavy pulling and place it on top of the screw. Refer to the Vision 2 X3 software for the parts list to identify the combination needed for clamping. Make sure you follow the OEM recommended usage of parts and clamping procedures. Once the parts have been selected, you will need to verify if your clamp will be a vertical or horizontal one. Then it is just a matter of shifting your component in the proper direction. Here is an example of a vertical setup and a horizontal setup. For higher pressure and holding, a turnbuckle will need to be added for extra support. Your setup should look like this. When blocking for a side or down pull, press the EVO head or adapter against the area of the frame you would like to remain stationary. When you need more advanced holding, such as critical suspension areas or OEM required locations, our EVO 2 fixturing system is available to assist you. This will allow you to assemble a variety of advanced applications and easily anchor multiple points with one tower, even if the anchoring points are at different heights. In this case, you will, again, start with the same tower configuration and then add a connector, a bushing holder, another connector, and another bushing holder and bolt it together. Position the fixtures. Fine-tune the height adjustment by rotating the collar and then easily anchor it to the vehicle frame. Both EVO 1 and 2 allow for full pulling force of up to 10 tons. Now, when it comes to holding new replacement parts in place for welding, bonding, and riveting, you can rely on EVO 3 in combination with EVO 1 and 2. EVO 3 works in combination with our measuring system to position replacement parts in the exact location while securely holding it in place. The Vision 2 X3 software easily guides you through the entire process and provides a full parts list and animated assembly videos for each setup. It starts with the same tower assembly used for EVO 1 and 2. Just replace the tower head to complete the setup according to each repair. Let's take a look at a few examples. EVO 3 works in sync with the Car-O-Tronic measuring system, and each configuration will use Car-O-Tronic to either position through the EVO 3 or through the replacement part. As you can see, in this setup, EVO 3 holds critical areas in place while the Car-O-Tronic finalizes the positioning through the replacement part. In this other example, the Car-O-Tronic positions EVO 3 fixture to the correct location and the replacement part is fitted to EVO 3. This allows EVO 3 to secure the part to the precise length, width, and height, assuring the part has been placed to the exact manufacturer's specifications. EVO provides the perfect support during the entire repair process, from anchoring to welding, bonding, or riveting, to reduce cycle time, maximize performance, and expand your shop's repair capabilities. Stay tuned for more hands-on car aligner videos.